model. So 1 is a whole number, so one whole rectangle is that. And then my 1/2 is 1 out of 2 shaded. So this 1.5 is represented here. And I write down my labels, 1 plus 1/2. And keep in mind that we're saying 1.5 is the same thing as just saying 1 plus 1/2. So adding these together gives us back this original problem there. And also don't forget, we're trying to show how this is the same thing as 3/2. So since this is already cut into 2 slices, I know my next step, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut everything into halves so I can see how many halves make up this problem here. And now you can see that when I cut this in half, 1 is the same thing as 2/2, and that stays the same as 1/2. So now we have 2/2 plus 1/2 is the same thing as 1 plus 1/2. And finally, you can see when you combine these together, we have 1, 2, 3 halves. So we just showed 1.5 is the same thing as 3/2.